Hey guys, welcome to your lesson 10. Can you believe we've done 10 virtual lessons already for writing? I hope you enjoyed your Monday and you got to catch up on some work that you needed for your other classes. So let's go ahead and get started with our lesson for today. So today you will revise a passage using cup strategy, and then today you will be able to use quotation marks correctly. So let's go over some quotation mark rules, and then I'll go ahead and explain your assignment for today. So when you have quotation marks rules, the first thing is quotation marks go around the spoken words. Example, I want to visit Australia. Also, I plan to tour France, shared Susie. So I want to visit Australia. Also, I plan to tour France. Those are the words that Susie spoke. 2. The first word of the quote is capitalized. So as you can see here, the students explained, we love making slime. So just like a beginning of a sentence, when you do beginning of quotation marks, the first word always has to be capitalized no matter what the word is. And then punctuation marks, 3. Punctuation marks at the end of the quote go inside the quotation marks. So if it's something like exciting, let's play kickball, exclamation point, period, anything is going to go inside the quotation mark. So think of the whole sentence and then the quotation marks being like a shield for it. So make sure that you always put the punctuations. And then number 4, a comma is used to separate the spoken word from the dialogue tag. So right here, example, divide the two numbers, comma, explain the teacher. The teacher explained, comma, then we decided the two numbers. So after you said the teacher said, he said, it should always have a comma in the front. So let's go ahead and get some practice done, and then you guys can do it on your own. So here it says, gosh, she said, we never thought you would win the contest. Okay, so quotation marks go around. So what did she say? She said, we never thought you would win the contest. So this is what she said. And then go around it. And oh, I remember rule number 3, that the punctuation goes there. And then rule number 2, the first word is capitalized. Well, here the first word, we, is the spoken word, and it's not, so I'm going to change that right there. So let's go say, gosh, she said, we never thought you would win the contest. Gosh is something that she said too, so I have to put quotation marks here. Okay, now let's tighten this one. Oh, get on with it, he snapped. So where should I put the quotation marks? What did he say? He snapped at, oh, get on with it. That is what he said. So we're going to put quotation marks there. It's capitalized, but it's missing something. He said, what did I need to do? A comma needs to be used to separate the spoken words from the dialogue. So I need to insert a comma here to separate the spoken words from the dialogue. So now what you're going to do is you're going to practice changing 1 through 4. Then you will read A Day in the Life of an Ant, and this is in the perspective of somebody pretending that they're an ant and what their life would be like. So there's a lot of quotation marks used in here, so I want you to see how the author uses the quotation marks. And then you will write what it was about. Remember to put your answer and then tell me why. Was it because of capital letters? Was it because the usage, the punctuation, or the spelling for each one? So you're telling me the answer and then why you chose it, okay? So I can't wait to see your work, and just know that I miss you, and here's a big air hug for each and every one of you. Have a good day, guys, and try your best. Bye.